How to trade gold for short-term. Scalping gold. The scalping strategy is aimed at making small but frequent profits. Traders who use this strategy generally take advantage of small time frames between 1 minute to 15 minutes with a profit target of between 5 until 10 pips each time a position is closed. Here are the steps for scalping gold. Open gold card on 1 minute time frame. After that, install the stochastic indicator with setting 5.3.3 above the chart. Also install two Exponential Moving Average (EMA) indicators, each with periods of 50 and 100. Both Stochastic and EMA can be found easily on the majority of forex trading platforms. Observe chart movements during the London and New York sessions between at 15 or 20 when the 50 EMA line is above the 100 EMA line. You can buy after the stochastic moves across the 20 level from bottom to the top. Conversely, when the 50 EMA line is below the 100 EMA, you can sell after the stochastic moves across the 80 level from top to bottom. To avoid unexpected losses, also set a stop loss during 2 till 3 pips from the opening price. Take profit can be taken 5 till 10 pips from the opening price or after the price movement approaches the stochastic 20 and 80 levels again. The gold scalping strategy can be profitable in the short term if you are a peer trader who is able to prepare large capital. Why is that? Because the profit is only 5 till 10 pips per trading position. It can be crushed by costs such as commissions and internet connection if your trading capital is minimal, not to mention the basic fatigue of having to continuously monitor the movement above the chart. In order for the profit to be fairly balanced, it is recommended that traders open a position of one lot with a maximum leverage of 1 per 100. Therefore, the capital must be large too, or at least between USD 500 or 1000. Traders should also practice this technique on a demo account first and then practice it on a real account.